Good evening, viewers. Today, we bring you a story about a unique trend that has taken Indonesia by storm, the Basuri Telolet bus phenomenon. This craze, known for the distinctive Telolet horn sound the buses play, has captured the hearts of many, from children to social media influencers. For more on this, let's go live to our reporter Diba, who is on the scene. Diba, can you tell us more about this phenomenon?
Thank you, Sultan. I'm here at popular roadside where the buses goes by. So as you can see, a lot of people gather around to see and take videos of the buses. These Telolet horns become so popular at social media. So I also speak with the friend and local citizen. So to get more deep understanding, let's hear from them now. I also spoke with one of the friends who regularly waits for this Telolet, and we have Hafizh. And Hafizh, why do you enjoy the experience so much? What is it?
It's hard to explain. There's just something exciting about it. The sound is catchy and it's thrill waiting for the buses to pass by and blast the horn. Plus, it becomes a bit of community activity. People of all age comes out to experience it together, and we post the videos online for others to see.
Thank you, Hafizh, for sharing. So lastly, we have local citizen, and we're gonna discuss its effect on the community. So Rindi, how do you feel about the Basuri phenomenon?
It's not really about people together. You see children, teenagers, and even older folks getting on the roadside to experience it. It's become something we look forward to, and it's a way to celebration a little joy in your everyday life. Plus, it's get to see your culture highlight and enjoy like this.
Okay, thank you so much, Rindi, for sharing, and thank you to all of our interviewees for their insight of this phenomenon. The Basuri Telolet bus race isn't just about the horn; it's about connection, excitement, and joy that people of all ages can share. So thank you. Back to you, Sultan.
Okay, thank you, Diba. The Basuri Telolet phenomenon truly shows how something as simple as a bus horn can bring people together and spread happiness. That's all for tonight's report. Stay tuned for more stories, and thank you for watching.